Hello everybody. Ano po ba yung mga air pollution source installation na exempted na po sa permit to operate under DAO 20 or DAO 2000-81 implementing rules and regulations of the Philippine Clean Air Act at base din dito sa EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17 Annex C. Tingnan natin po yung mga nasa listahan na hindi na kailangan ng permit to operate. Dito po sa EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17, Subject Guidelines on the Issuance of Permit to Operate PTO for Air Pollution Source Installation or Equipment through the Online Permitting and Monitoring System, OPMS, dated May 11, 2020. So doon sa listahan ng mga air pollution source installation exempted for permit to operate, nakalagay po dito sa Annex C ng EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17. Basahin natin, tingnan natin yung mga nasasambit dito. Annex C, UPC exempted for permit to operate, not required to secure PTO. May dalawa po ditong type of UPC, yung fuel burning UPC at saka non-fuel burning UPC. Ang nakasulat dito sa exempted fuel burning equipment which emits negligible air pollutants defined under Section 5A of RA 8749 and Section 1, Rule 6 of DAO 2000-81 and will not cause harmful, detrimental, or injurious to human health and safety and will not adversely affect commercial, industrial, and other purposes. Ano po yung mga listahan na ito ng mga fuel burning UPC that is not required to secure PTO? 1. Standby stationary or portable or mobile or multi-purpose generator set engines with 1 to 15 kilowatts used in small scale operation. Example, tower light, air compressors, pumps, etc. Off-road vehicles, mobile sources used in industrial or commercial, forklift, bulldozer, backhoe, and then gasoline or diesel fuel fed lawn mower. So yan po yung mga fuel burning air pollution source installation na hindi na kailangan ng permit to operate. Ang malaking emphasis dito yung pong mga generator set with capacity 1 to 15 kilowatts. So in short, 16 kilowatts pataas na capacity ng generator set, kailangan na ng permit to operate. Ano naman yung sa mga non-fuel burning UPC? Nakalagay din dito yung mga electric driven na mga air pollution source installation. Electric powered manual and CNC lathe machines, etc. Electric powered circular saws, table mounted or handheld, used in small scale operations. Electric powered handheld and manual tools, maximum of 5 units per firm, used in small scale operations. Dispensing pumps and nozzles in the fuel refilling stations. Electric powered single pass type rice and corn mill used in small scale operation, 1 to 50 cabans per day. Electric oven, electric powered welding machine, electric powered soldering iron in small scale operations. Electric powered air compressors, exhaust ventilation, non-odorous storage tank, day tank storage tank less than 1 cubic meter, example fuel tank, electric powered core builder in sawmills, electric powered strip cutter, electric powered plastic grinder in plastic plant. So may mga konting emphasis dito doon sa fuel storage tank. kapag less than 1,000 liter or 1 cubic meter, exempted na sa permit to operate. So yan po ang Annex C ng EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17, air pollution source installation exempted for permit to operate. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa mga bagay na ito. At if you want to know more about permitting, legislation, and reporting, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat at I hope to see you again sa mga susunod nating tutorial. Salamat po at mabuhay ang mga pollution control officer at lahat ng in charge sa pollution control. Thank you po at mabuhay tayong lahat.